Hello there, Escambia County Public School teachers. We've made it to the end of the school year, and with that in mind, we want to go over a few helpful gradebook reminders in focus. Today, we're talking about timely grading, assignment distribution, and communication with students and families. This is our example for timely grading. I want to draw your attention to the center of this gradebook. Even though these due dates have passed, you're going to notice that there are still no grades entered here. Now I want to take a look at how entering these grades is going to affect the overall averages for our students. Now that grades have been entered for those students, I want to draw your attention to the class average. Previously, it was a 92. Now it's an 88. Individual student averages have been affected as well. Some students did go up, but there were several students who went significantly down, dropping them letter grades. Which brings us to another key point: communication. Your accurate and timely gradebook is instant communication on student progress. You also have the ability to comment on individual assignments. An example here is an assignment that was turned in late, which resulted in a loss of 5 points and a lower grade. The letter M in your gradebook also communicates. Up here at the top, if we were to change this back to an NG rather than the M, it's going to inflate the student's grade. That M denotes a 0 and that the assignment is still not made up. So it's very important to keep the M in the gradebook or a 0 rather than the NG. Remember, at any point in time, you can message up here at the top with your message feature, or come to your sidebar menu and use the communication module to talk to students and their primary contacts. Our final gradebook reminder is on assignment distribution. Let me show you what I mean. In this example, I have weighted categories. One category is worth 45% of my student's overall grade, and yet I don't have any assignment in that category. Remember, the system is still going to distribute the other points to equal 100%. So really be mindful about your assignments and how many are there. Is it fair? Is it consistent? These are questions you definitely want to ask yourself to keep good gradebook practice. So remember, when you're working in your gradebook, you need timely grading, thoughtful assignment distribution, and constant communication with students and families to round out a successful school year. Thanks for joining the Student Data team for this Byte of Tech. Check out our recommended video that's here and fill out our content request form so we keep making videos that are just for you, because we're united for every student to succeed.